Welcome to the video, LEGO fans. I'll try not to cover up the microphone a bunch while filming this. That seems to be pretty awful. Using the Brick Controller app on one side of my phone screen and my camera on video on the other. So, a bit hard to control. Got one hand on the phone, the other hand on the controller. Got some people pulling up here. We'll see if they cause problems. But let's get a good show of this real quick. So that's about the speed we're used to it going. All right. That's it with the BuWizz. Again, that's about the speed of the Lego components. With BuWizz, it literally kicks up dust. It's amazing. Got a new body on it. And just overall, it's been sick. There's a good idea of the size of it for you, for scale. And we'll just rip over some rocks real quick. See if I can't get a good view of it. Here goes. Alright, I don't really have editing skills, but we'll see if I can do this. Here's it going back over some pretty big stuff. We've got some good obstacles. It's hard to see, obviously, with scale. Show this real quick. There's a hole there the size of a 4.2-inch RC tire. So let's climb it. Straight up and over all these chunky rocks. It's very hard for me to see what I'm filming, so sorry if it doesn't turn out great. With the Brick Controller app though, you can monitor how slow you go way better. You can crawl way better than with just the BuWizz app for the phone. So I can crawl over this, I don't know, melon-sized rock here, slow and steady. And here's a good sense of the speed of this thing with the BuWizz Buggy Motors in it. This is on torque, not even on speed. Like here, I'm gonna go walking speed with it. Yes, we're going a little downhill, but it's going walking speed with me. Just crazy. Haven't improved the turning radius, but it is what it is. I want to put in rear steer as well, eventually. So I'll do a body off for those of you who have watched this long, give you a little look at the inside. Give me 1 second. It's going to get, I'll just give you a shot like of a tree or something. Here. Okay, there we go. Body off. Grill is one piece. Body is one piece. Doors open. Bedsides come down still. Here's the underside. Got this floppy boy. Love this. So BuWizz mounted in the floorboard. Steering motor is still Lego, figure why not. Lego large, I believe. Got that bouncy front end, love it. I don't know what's going on with the shocks in the back, but neither of them are Lego, I don't think. Maybe the black ones are, yellow ones definitely aren't. Bouncy? Yes. Like, no issue with bottom out, for sure. I got my fingers under it and I'm pressing down and it doesn't bottom out. Same with the front. Gives it a little bit of room for the body to go on and weigh a little, because the body does weigh a little. Attachment points on the gray bar here. Snapped on. Kind of like it like that. I think it looks funny. But that shows that it's connected, you know, to the body. Fun to run like that too. Very, very lightweight and powerful. I mean, not that this weighs very much. I need to throw this on a kitchen scale and see. Alright, anyways. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.